Hello, what's up you guys? This is Mohammed Sajid Hassan. You watching Gadget Trendz. This video is really important video for you. I hope you will watch this video till to the end so that you can understand it properly and what I want to explain you. Let's get started this video. Before starting this video, there is a request, guys. If you are not still now subscriber the Gadget Trendz, please subscribe. And if you do so still now, this video I really dedicated to you. So let's get jump into this video. So first of all, here we are talking about the Google Find My device. So that here you can install this device in your phone so that whenever your phone gets lost or something happening with your phone or someone just hand over your phone, that time you can secure your phone from that person or some evil days. So how you can do it? Before nowadays, there is a lot of apps in the Google Play Store. They are verified, but these are not from Google. So there is a lot of apps you can see whenever you are in the Google Play Store. You just search Google Find My device. Before this, here there is a lot of Finder apps, which is not too much accurate. But nowadays, it's accurate for you because Google made it something easier for us. This is the Google Find My device. This is from the Google LLC. That means you can easily trust on it, and I also use it. So in this case, what we can do, that is, first of all, we have to install this and now open it. So once you open it, they want sign up by a Gmail address. So in this case, whatever the Gmail address you want, you can use it. In my case, I'm just using my Gmail address, gadgettrendz22@gmail.com. Click on the continue as guest. Now I'm filling up my password. I will get back to you again. Now here you guys, I have just now entered it, and here you can see this is now here. Now what we can do, that is, we can find our device from here. Even though there is all the connections, that means they will keep track all of your Bluetooth, like the headphone, speaker and other connected device with the same thing. Here they can connect to you. Suppose my mobile has got lost, so in this case what I can do, that is, here I'm just in my desktop from here. Now therefrom I will just search here the Google Find My device from here. This is the Google Find My device. So here from whatever we need to do, that is, I'm just going to this Find My device, and here you can see, because here this is the thing, I'm already logged in with the same Gmail account which I have logged in my phone. But you have to also keep logged in with the same account so that you can track it. So you can see I'm here on the Google location. It's showing all my, by which Wi-Fi it's connected, by how much the charge is. Even here from you can, whenever you click on this, it will show you sounds, or it will beep your sound so that you can find your phone. Even though you can security lock it, factory reset the device as well, so that you can also save all the data from your devices. So by this you can do it. I hope you have got some benefit from this video, even though from this app as well. Now guys, it's your turn. I hope if you guys like this video, then I request you please give a like this video. If you like this video and get some benefit, please give a like this video, and please bear with me in the upcoming future. So now guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.